Hi everyone, in this video I want to explain about the first program in C language, how to write programs and what are the different things used in programs. First section is include header files. Hash include within angular brackets stdio.h and again hash include conio.h. These are called header files. stdio is a header file, standard input output header file, and conio is another header file, console input output header file. These header files contains predefined functions. If we want to use those predefined functions, we should include those header files into our programs. I want to use the functions present in these two header files. That's why I included these header files in this program. Okay. Hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Here this hash symbol is a pre-processive symbol. This hash symbol pre-processes these header files into this program. And next section is main functions section. Main. I don't want to use a global section in this program because this is a simple program, first program. Main function. Before main, use keyword void. Void is all are in small letters. This is a keyword. Okay. Void or int. There is a difference in between void and int. I'll explain later. Void main. Main is a function. Every function should followed by parenthesis. Okay, void main, then opening bracket, curly bracket, because I want to use more than one statements. Okay, void main, curly bracket, then here printf. I want to use a function printf. Printf, within double quotations write your text to display. Hi, this is my first program. This is my first program. At the end, semicolon. Okay. Next, get ch. Here, get ch is also a function. Normal brackets, last semicolon. This is the closing bracket of a main. While writing these programs in the editor, you should maintain a margin. Okay, you should follow indentation. This is very simple program, small program and less number of statements. But if you write a number of statements, 1000 lines, etc., in that case, to cross check that program, these indentations margins are very helpful. So maintain void main, opening brace and closing brace. Okay. Hash include stdio.h. Here printf is a function. This is from which header file? stdio.h. Printf is a predefined function that is present in this standard input output header file. I want to use this printf, that's why I included this header file in my program. Okay, and get ch. Get ch use is to pass the result screen for a while. Get ch. This function passes the result screen up to entering a character, up to take a character from the keyboard. Okay, get ch. This get ch is from conio.h, console input output header file. Okay, I used this function, that's why I included this conio.h. Header files section is starting of C program. Okay, void main and printf. I want to give a title to this program. Title, first program. First program. First program in normal words without using any instruction. So compiler identifies this and it displays so many errors present in this program. Because this is not an instruction. So in that case, your normal text must be within comments section. So I want to use a comments. This is a single line comment. Now compiler does not convert this line, this comment into machine code. This is a normal text for the programmer, use of programmer. First program, okay, comments section. And after writing this program, save this program. For suppose first.c. Okay, first.c is a program name. After this, compile this program. Compile. After compilation, it will give machine code, means object code. Object code is first.obj. After compilation, execute or run this program. It will give executable file. Executable file extension is .exe. Okay, executable file. There may be another file that is a backup file, that is optional, first.bat. I'll show in editor. Okay, after writing this program in editor, I'll show output and all these files. And after execution, at result screen, we get this message. Hi, this is my first C program. Yes or no? It shows only this text. Hi, this is my first C program. Once you compile this program, you can execute number of times. That is your wish. No need to compile again and again. Once you compile this program, you can execute number of times. For suppose if you modify anything in this program, then you should recompile. Then execute. First time I executed this program and I got this message at result screen. Hi, this is my first C program or first program. Okay. Again I executed. It prints another time. Okay. Hi, this is my first program. For suppose if I executed this program 5 times, then I will get this 5 times at output screen. Now I want to erase the previous 4 outputs. I want to display this sentence only one time at result screen. For suppose this is a text, I want to explain second program. Without erasing this program, if I write a second program in these areas, is it clear? No. That's why clear previous result from output screen, then execute, then get result. To clear the result screen before execution, use this function CLR SCR to clear the output screen. CLR SCR is for clear screen. This function is present in conio.h, console input output header file. Before displaying this message, I want to clear the result screen. If there is any text at output screen, it clears, then prints this message. For suppose if I use a clear screen after this printf, then we will not get any message at result screen, because printf prints this message but clear screen clears that message. Empty output screen. And this is comments section and these are header files. Standard input output header file, console input output header file, and main functions section and void main. If you use int instead of void, then write here return statement, return 0 or return 1. I'll explain later in another program. And clear screen, it clears the result screen. Printf prints the given message at result screen. Next, getch. This getch is used to pass the result screen. I'll show the use of this getch very clearly in the editor. Okay, this is about the first C program.
To write and execute C programs, there are many softwares. In my laptop, I have installed MS-DOS Turbo C++ software. Here C, name is Turbo C++. This is a software used to write both C programs and C++ programs. Not only C++ programs, it is used for writing of C programs and C++ programs also. MS-DOS Turbo C++. After installation, open this by double clicking. See here, this is the software. It is an editor. IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Turbo C++ IDE. What is the full form of IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Because it is a collection of a compiler, linker, debugger, etc. It is used to write C programs and to compile C programs and to execute C programs. At a learning stage, this is the best software, best IDE for C and C++ programs. See here, this is menu bar, file menu. Select new to write programs, new. Then C to get full screen, shortcut is F5. See here, no name .cpp. What is the extension here? CPP. But I want to write C programs. Here extension is .cpp means C++. There are two ways to change this extension. First of all, write your C programs in this editor. After that, save that file with the name and an extension .c. Means for suppose after writing your first program, name is a first and enter extension also first.c, because here extension is .cpp. Another process is, first of all, go for options and environment and editor. See here, what is the default extension? CPP. In the place of CPP, write C. Then click on OK. This is already opened file, that's why extension is not changed. So first of all, close this file. To close this file, shortcut is Alt plus F3. Alt F3. Otherwise, go to menu and click on close. Now, file, take new. Now see what is the extension here? .c. Now write your C program. In this time, after writing your C program, no need to enter extension. Simply enter name to the program. For suppose first. No need to enter extension because already this editor extension is changed. That is from CPP to C. Now see, to get full screen, shortcut key is F5. Now to start typing, first of all, press tab key from the keyboard. To maintain margins. Okay. Now, I want to give a name to this program. Comment section, 2/. This is a single line comment. Comment section. This is my first program. This is my first program. Enter. Now, include header files section, hash include stdio.h, again hash include conio.h. Already I explained the program. See. Now again press the tab key to maintain indentation. While you're writing lengthy programs, these indentations are very helpful. After writing this statement, to enter closing bracket, press backspace, then type closing brace. This is called indentation. Opening bracket and closing brackets are its same line. Okay, write your sentences after some space, means a tab space. Now save this program. To save this program, go to File menu, then click on Save, or shortcut key is F2 directly from the keyboard. There are two ways to save this program. One is by using Option N menu. Otherwise, directly press shortcut key F2 and directly enter your program name. First, enter. See here, first.c. After saving your program, compile your program. To compile, select compile option. Otherwise, what is the shortcut key? Alt plus F9. Compilation completed. There are no warnings and no errors. Press any key. Now execute your program. Execution means run your program. Run means go to run menu, then click on run option. Otherwise, shortcut key is Control plus F9. Compilation and execution both are completed. What is the result? Where is output screen? To see output, use another shortcut key, that is Alt plus F5. Okay, Alt F5. See here, hi, this is my first program. Without using shortcut key, to see the output directly after execution of this program, simply write get ch after all statements. Get ch means here get a character. It is a predefined function from Conio.h used to pass the result screen until entering a character. Now run this program. Control F9. Now see, hi, this is my first program. Without using any shortcut key, directly we are seeing this output screen because of get ch. Get ch takes a character from this keyboard. After taking that character, control goes to our editor screen from output screen. Okay, get ch. Enter any key from the keyboard. That is the use of get ch. Again, if you want to see the result screen, Alt plus F5 without execution. Okay, see how many times the result is present here? 2 times. If I execute once again, here output again displayed. This program is executed 3 times, so result is present 3 times. But here in this program, what is the statement? Printf, hi, this is my first program, only once. So now I want to erase previous outputs. To see the exact output of this program, erase the remaining outputs. So enter clear screen, CLR SCR. Clear screen is a predefined function. It is from Conio.h, console input output header file. CLR SCR. Now, once again save. Shortcut key is F2 or go to file menu, click on save. Okay, now recompile. Because I added clear screen function, recompile, Alt F9. Now execute, Control F9. Now see, hi, this is my first program. Press any key. Once again, execute. Now it shows the exact output of that program because previous output is erased. To come out from this editor, go to File menu, then use this Quit option. What is the shortcut? Alt X. I hope you understand each and every point. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button, do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.